In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create the perfect playlist on Spotify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about making playlists, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get into the process of making a playlist on both your mobile device and PC. Let's start with the mobile device. To create a playlist on your mobile device, open the Spotify app and make sure you're logged into your account. Navigate to the Your Library tab, where you'll find your playlists, albums, artists, and songs. Tap on the plus icon on the right, known as the Create Playlist button. Then, tap on Playlist and give it a descriptive name. Tap Create. A new window will open, allowing you to name your playlist and add songs to it. There are several ways to add songs. Search for a song and tap the plus button. Tap a currently playing song and tap plus, or tap an album or artist and tap plus next to a song. Another method is to tap the three dots icon on a song page, select Add to Playlist, and choose the desired playlist. This covers creating a playlist on your mobile device. Now, let's move on to creating a playlist on Spotify for PC. Begin by opening Spotify on your computer, either through the browser or the app. Ensure you're logged into your account and click on the Your Library tab. Click on the Create Playlist button or use the plus icon near your library name. Similar to the mobile process, a new window will open. Give your playlist a name and click Save. To add songs, you can search for songs and click Add to Playlist. Click a currently playing song and click Add to Playlist. Or click an album or artist and select Add to Playlist. That's it. You've successfully created a playlist on Spotify for both your mobile device and PC. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.